Hey, second grade, this is Friday's lesson, and you're going to have two papers to get out of your baggie. You're going to need your notebook again, and you're going to need some scissors and glue. You're going to need a couple more things, but we'll talk about that after we get um, some things cut and glued into your notebook. So, of course, turn to a clean page. And this game that we're playing today is called Spin to Cha-ching. So the first thing I want you to do, I already have it done in my notebook, is go ahead and cut out your circle with your coins in it, and then cut out the name of the game, Spin to Cha-ching. It's kind of hard to say sometimes. And glue it in your notebook just like this. So this is going to be actually the first part of your assignment right here. So when you get this glued in your notebook like how mine is, go ahead and send me a picture like this. Okay? All right. So the second part is I'm kind of cover up mine because I wrote on it, is your chart, but you're going to have to trim off the white and cut the words off of the top to make it fit in your notebook. Okay? So once you have that done, if you look at your directions, I kind of changed the directions just a little bit because number one says roll the number cube. Well, I didn't give you a number cube because I already know that you have dice. So you're going to need to get that out. Okay, and then you are also going to need to get out a paper clip. And then you can use a pen or a pencil. It really doesn't matter, but that's going to be what you're going to use to spin the paper clip. So when you get your paper clip out, you're going to lay it on this circle. That's kind of like our wheel. And then you're going to put your pen or your pencil, it doesn't matter which side you use, but you're going to spin the paper clip that way. Okay? So the dice, for example, if I'm rolling the dice and I got a 1, that means I'm going to spin on my wheel one time and see what coin it lands on. So, for example, if I got a 1, okay, I'm going to mark what coin it landed on. I pretended that mine landed on the quarter. So I put, trying to cover up what I wrote on, I put a check mark. I'll just show you. I put a check mark under quarter. Okay, since I got a 1, I didn't put any more coins because remember, I only had to spin my paperclip one time. And then over here, I put 0.25 for 25 cents. That's how much a quarter is worth. So again, I'm pretending that I had another 1. Okay, and I got another quarter. If you can add those up. So I know that 2 quarters are worth 50 cents. So I put a 0.50 for 50 cents. If it's a little hard for you to add your coins up, then I'm okay with you just writing how much your coin is worth to the side. Here's where it changes. If I rolled a 2, that means I have to spin on my wheel twice. So on mine, I pretended that I got a dime one time and I got a penny. Okay? So even if you aren't adding these up as you go, you're definitely going to have to add these two up. So a dime is worth what? 10 cents. And a penny, remember that's our smallest coin, is worth 1 cent. So I'm going to have to add my dime and my penny up. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So I would write that here if you're just adding the amount of coins. If you're adding all of your coins together like I started, then I would take 50 cents and add 11 to it. Okay? I'm okay with you doing either or. This chart has a lot more times than what I'm going to have you roll. I'm going to have you roll your dice 10 times. Okay? So, if you really like this game, you could even take this chart, turn to a clean page, draw it again, and play again. But like I said, I'm going to only have you fill out this for 10 rolls. Okay? So, first part of your assignment is going to be taking a picture once you have this glued. And then the second part is going to be once you have your 10 rolls finished, then you're going to take a picture with you with this side. Okay, so that's what your assignment's going to be for Friday. And then it looks like on Monday will be our last money game. Okay. All right. Have a good weekend.